One.
Hello. So what's the problem?
Hello, doctor. So I'm the interpreter, and my friend here, she is sick.
I see. Okay then. Can you ask her what seems to be the problem?
Oke, Mbak. Dokternya bertanya, keluhannya apa ya?
Dok, sudah 3 hari saya demam, sakit kepala, pegal-pegal, dan rasanya sangat lemas.
Okay. So the patient says that she has had a fever, headache, body aches, and feels very weak for the past 3 days.
Okay. Can you ask her how high has the fever been? And have they taken any medication so far?
Oke. Jadi dokternya menanyakan, Mbak, seberapa tinggi demamnya dan apakah udah minum obat sejauh ini?
Demamnya naik turun sih, terus biasanya malam hari makin panas, terus saya cuma minum paracetamol.
Okay, okay. So the she said that she has a fever and it gets worse at night, and she has only taken paracetamol at for this time.
Okay. Have she traveled recently or been around anyone who is sick?
Oke. Dokter bertanya, Mbak, apakah belakangan ini berpergian atau bertemu seseorang yang sedang sakit?
Berpergian sih enggak, tapi ada rekan kerja yang minggu lalu lagi sakit tuh.
Okay, okay. She says that she has not been traveling, but she has met a coworker that had a flu last week.
It may be influenza, a viral infection, or possibly dengue. I recommend a blood test to be safe.
Oke. Jadi Mbak, dokternya bilang kalau ini mungkin influenza atau infeksi virus atau ada kemungkinan demam berdarah. Nah, dokter ini menyarankan untuk tes darah untuk memastikan.
Terus saya juga agak pusing dan sulit tidur sih. Ini Ini berbahaya nggak ya, berbahaya Dok?
Uh, so, doctor, the patient asked that she feels dizzy and has trouble with sleeping, and she wants to know if it is dangerous or not.
Right now, the symptoms are not alarming, but they should drink plenty of fluids, rest, and return immediately if symptoms worsen.
Oke, so kata dokter, gejalanya ini belum mengkhawatirkan, tapi tetap harus banyak minum, beristirahat, dan segera kembali ke sini jika gejalanya makin memburuk.
Apakah saya boleh makan makanan pedas atau harus pantang sesuatu?
The patient asked that is she allowed to eat spicy food or maybe needs to avoid anything?
A light diet is recommended. Avoid greasy food, of course, and continue paracetamol as needed. The blood test result will guide further treatment.
Oke, kata dokter, dia menyarankan untuk makan makanan yang ringan dulu, hindari makanan berminyak, dan untuk paracetamolnya dilanjutkan dulu jika diperlukan, dan sambil menunggu hasil tes darah nanti.
Oke, baik dok, terima kasih. Terus, kapan ya saya bisa mendapatkan hasil tes darahnya?
Okay, so the patient asked that when will she be receiving the blood test results?
The result should be available within 24 hours. Once they are ready, please come back for or contact the clinic for follow-up ya.
Oke, jadi Mbak, untuk hasil tesnya nanti akan tersedia setelah 24 jam. Jika sudah keluar, nanti silakan kembali atau hubungin klinik untuk diperiksa lebih lanjut.
Ya,
Ya,
baik,
baik,
terima
terima
kasih
kasih
banyak
banyak,
dok.
dok. Okay, the patient says that she is very thankful, dokter.
Okay, you're welcome. I hope you will feel better soon ya.
Oke, Mbak, kata dokternya sama-sama dan berharap Anda segera membaik.